Where did I put it? You dropped something. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Auntie Liz here. I know it's been a minute since I've sat down and actually filmed a video, but today I am back. I hope you guys still enjoyed the little vlogs that I did the past couple videos, because I had a real good time going to those events these past couple months. Anyways, to what we are filming today. Today it is not another sneaker unboxing. We are actually unboxing another bag, and no, it's not another Telfar. It's actually another black owned brand. If you can't see by the title, this is a brand BLACKWOOD bag based out of New York. It's actually a brand that started off in 2015 and has ever since literally like skyrocketed just as much as Telfar has. You could see this bag. Sweetie literally always uses his bags too, so yeah, I am very lucky to have gotten one. My boyfriend actually got me this bag for our anniversary, and he let me have it early so that I could film it for y'all, so shouts out to him. Anyways, let's get to the fun part and I'll show y'all what's up in this bag. Alright guys, so this is it. So this is the box that the bag came in. I actually appreciate that it came in a box, because sometimes really a duster bag does not do it for you sometimes. Like, I don't know, I feel like it just doesn't protect it as much. I appreciate a box even though it does take up more room. I do appreciate the box a lot. So it comes in this white box with his monogram right here, Brandon Blackwood, New York. You can find him on Instagram and on Google, his website through Google if you search that up. Opening the lid, this is pretty sick. Like, I didn't expect this at all. I thought it was just gonna be a white box with like the white insides, but nah, he thought about everything. So here we have it. It's a black inside with his monogram repeating all over. That just like, it just makes me feel like so bougie, like luxurious. Like, that's something I wouldn't have thought of, but the fact that Brandon Blackwood thought of that, I think that definitely shows how much he puts into this brand. And also just as a designer itself, you want to have your customers experience like the whole thing, and this is sick. So yeah, before I open the bag, this is what the box looks like too. On the inside it has it repeating as well. Okay, so yeah, when you open up the box, it actually comes with this letter, and it says, "Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece and can't wait to see how you style it. XOXO Brandon Blackwood." Which is really, like I said, it's literally like the little details. This is so cute. Even though I know like everyone gets this, this little letter in their box, it's like, it's still like a nice detail, you know? Shows that he wants you, his customer, to like show off your piece on Instagram. And he does actually like repost and post a lot of the people who own the bag on his Instagram, if you guys go follow that. So yeah, it also comes with a duster bag, which I appreciate too, because sometimes you get the box and just the bag, or you get the duster and then no box, kind of like the Telfars. The Telfars just come in a large plastic Ziploc and then a very big duster bag. Well, I have the medium, so it comes in a pretty big duster bag. But yeah, you know, like sometimes the dust doesn't do it for me, but I appreciate the box and the duster. Here it is, Brandon Blackwood, New York, a white duster bag with a drawstring. I just like how like minimalistic his logo and like branding is, but that doesn't really say that's how he is as a brand, because his brand is like his bags are just different, and there's just so many different patterns and colors and textures. It's insane. Wait. Okay, settle down. I know. So yeah, here is the bag. Look at it. This is the medium Kuei bag in black. It's actually, let's see, it on the label. It's actually premium smooth vegan leather. Shouts out to the vegans. Okay, that was stupid. Okay, so this is actually a medium. Okay, so this bag is the medium Kuei bag in the premium smooth vegan leather all around. Pulling up the details on the website. It is black. It is a mini bag and shoulder bag. Hand sewn double stitched handle. So yeah, if you can see how sturdy the handle is, it won't go flopping around. It's actually like they put like probably some type of really hard material to have it stand up all the time, so throughout use it probably won't be flopping around like I said, like in other handbags. But yeah, very sturdy. It has a double clasp fastening internal pocket. I'll show you guys when we get to that. Detachable crossbody strap. So pulling this out, I just opened this for y'all. This is the crossbody strap, and you can attach it to the bag to make it a shoulder bag, which I personally probably won't be doing, but the crossbody bag, making it a crossbody bag will probably be easier for those who are always like on the go, but I probably will be just wearing this like this all around town on my wrist, or like you could pull it up a little bit, but yeah, or you could just hold it like this. But yeah, that's how I probably imagine myself using it. But I appreciate them thinking about the strap, to be honest, because sometimes you're just on the go and you are being in the way. So yeah, also says imported. Don't know from where, but it says imported. The main material is premium smooth vegan leather. The lining, which I will show you guys later, is a microfiber suede all throughout, and then they have two inside pockets, which I will also show you. The dimensions of the bag are 10 inches by 8, and then when you open it, it goes about 5 inches wide, which is really nice. That's just enough space for me. Honestly, I don't need much space anyways. I don't carry a wallet, like an actual wallet. I actually just carry a card holder, so it's easier for me to access my card holder than like a tote bag, because I could actually find it. But yeah, here she is. This is the medium Kuei bag, kind of like lunchbox, not lunchbox, paper bag, kind of lunch bag looking, which is pretty sick, but like a luxury take on that. So yeah, here in the front we have silver detailing, and there's silver detailing all throughout the bag, but starting with the front that I'm going to show you guys is this little zipper, and it also has Brandon Blackwood etched into it, and there's also the Brandon Blackwood logo monogram right here in silver metallic detailing, which I like because it actually adds something different, you know, like it's a black bag, you want something to stand out, you gotta add like nice accents to it. So I think that was super cool, and you could play around with that in your outfits. But yeah, here we have the silver detailing, and then on the bottom it actually has little legs, like little, let me take this off, little silver studs at the bottom, so that when you do put it on a table, it's not it's more stable when you put it on the table, and also it protects the leather a bit more because the leather isn't actually the thing that's touching the table. And I appreciate that they actually gave you little silver covers, little metal piece covers, because it actually protects the bag as well from getting scratches. But you know, like once the scratch is away, it's probably just black on the bottom. So yeah, I think I appreciate that a lot. They really put time into packaging this. So yeah, I think as long as you don't lose these, like that would be super sick to have. So yeah, silver detailing there. And then as you guys could see, it is a zipper in the front. And you're probably wondering like, why is a zipper in the front but the bag opens like that? So to show y'all, I'll unzip, let me see. I'll unzip it for you guys. I'll use my leg as leverage. So yeah. Unzipping it, as you can see on the side, the thick straps actually go through the front of the bag, and if you pull back the straps, this is a really new bag, so it's gonna take a while for me to exit through. But that also shows the quality of the bag. It's not like some flimsy leather, it's actually some really good, well-made leather. So if you push it back all the way like this, you could actually open the bag wider, which I thought was a really sick detail because I've never seen a bag open up like that or even just look like this. Like you've seen bags that are kind of square, like lunch bag looking, but the way he reimagined it, I guess I would say, to have the straps go through with the zipper and everything, that's just so sick. And then I think it also adds like another sense of security to the bag because you would have to unzip and then also unclasp these to actually get in there, so no one can just dig in there and like swipe your keys or your wallet. So I thought that was super thick. I think that definitely adds a lot to the character of the bag. Leaving it open, we have the silver detailing again on the clasp. So these are the clasps that you actually use to attach the shoulder strap that I showed you guys earlier, but I probably won't be using it. But yeah, it goes like this. And then the silver detailing on the inside with the metal. It actually came covered with the plastic, which also is nice because it saves the bag from just getting those scratches to where it doesn't look silver or shiny anymore. So yeah, that's nice. So just as I mentioned earlier, the inside is suede and it is black suede, but the problem with suede is that it's easy to scratch and scuff up. So probably be careful about putting your keys in here or pulling them out because it will scratch the insides. Although I'm not sure, it probably won't show as much in black, but if you have the other colors, because they do come in a lot of colors and sizes and all that, please be aware of that. Let me show you guys. So when I open it, the first pocket right here has again that silver detailing. Brandon Blackwood etched into it again on the pulley part. Open it. I'd say I have an XS Max. No, I can't even fit through it. But I think this would be good for, like I said, I carry a card holder instead of a wallet. Or if you don't even carry a wallet and you just kind of carry your cards, I think this would be perfect to put it in. I'm not sure if you could fit car keys in here. Probably just the remote and the key itself would definitely fit in here. But if you have keychains on there, probably won't fit. But that's okay because it's not that deep of a bag to where you'll like be scurrying around in there. Like you'll probably find all your stuff right away. I don't know if you guys could also see, but they have Brandon Blackwood again on a little leather tag right there, which I thought was really nice of a detail. Now on the other side, there is a larger slip pocket that you could, I would say, I think my phone would fit in this. Let me see. Like again, I have an XS Max, so it's a bit bigger. But I think if you had a smaller iPhone, it probably would fit in there. A lot of space, like I said. You could fit a lot of things in here. And then just to close it, you want to pull the straps through again. And then zip it up through the front. Okay, there you go. Okay, I'm going to close it. Very structured, so it looks like it'll be able to hold up for a while because of the structure of the bag. It's not like flimsy or anything. The vegan leather is really nice. Be careful because it will get scuffed if you throw this around or like anything sharp would definitely show, so be careful of that. All in all, honestly, I'm really excited. I'm really happy about this bag just because I've just started getting into bags recently, and I think this is definitely such a sick addition to my collection. It's just super simple but also chic at the same time. You could dress it up. Like I said, if you want to carry it around like this, on a little date night. But you could also dress it down by putting on the shoulder strap. Even like having the shoulder strap doesn't make it more casual. It just depends how you wear it. This is such a good date bag in my opinion, or even like an everyday bag, because it just holds enough for me. Just because I don't carry a lot. Stitching, the detailing, like even just like the little like Brandon Blackwood everywhere. Like that's super sick to me. The shape of it is very different, and he also has this bag in like different types of textures. Like he has croc leather, he has like furry ones, he has different colors, he has like denim, different patterns. So I'm really excited for this to be my first piece from Brandon Blackwood, but it will definitely not be my last. This is a bit muted for someone like me. You guys know I like color, I like being out there, kind of expand my horizons, but I do plan on getting more. I hope to show y'all that in the future. So that was it for my first Brandon Blackwood bag unboxing for y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys kind of see where my vision is going with a lot of these things. I'll put the bag in the description down below, the link to the specific bag that I have, but also just the link to his website and his Instagram if you guys want to check it out. I think his Instagram is super cool just because how colorful and interactive it is with his customers and just his audience in general. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram, my other finstagram, my Twitter. I do a little bit of TikTok, so if you guys want to see that, follow me there, but definitely on Instagram, hit your girl up there because I'm always on Instagram. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe too. We're almost at 100. I think as I'm filming this right now, we're actually at 93 subs, so hopefully by the end of this video or by the time I post this, we're gonna be at 100, if not more. But yeah, I just really appreciate the support so far, you guys. Like, I'm 23 and I'm kind of just living life right now, but this is part of it and I'm glad you guys are part of it too. So yeah, share this with your friends, your dogs, your aunties, and your side hoes too. As always, more love, more life from Auntie Liz.